The COVID-19 pandemic has been hard on almost everybody in one way or another, but for a certain generation of people, it's not the first time a disease has turned life on its head. PJ Walker spoke to a woman who remembers another epidemic all too well.
Never in my wildest imagination did I ever dream that we would be doing something like this.
Betty Swyhovic has lived through a lot of history in her life. Born in Hettinger, North Dakota in 1936, she and her 4 siblings worked on the family farm. She says things were a lot different then. No medicine or access to immediate health care.
We of that generation were the kids that had everything. We had the measles and the chicken pox and the mumps and the whooping cough. And our parents, of course, were the primary caregivers in those days.
Having gone through the influenza pandemic themselves, she says her parents knew a lot about diseases, but there was one that they had no idea about.
To hear the word infantile paralysis was very, very scary for parents at that time. Didn't understand it, didn't know what caused it, didn't know what to do about it.
The first case of infantile paralysis, or polio, was recorded in 1841. Fast forward more than a century, the disease killed close to 3,000 people in the U.S. in the 1949 pandemic, a time that Swyhovic says she remembers well.
We knew of people in the area that got infantile paralysis, as well as President Roosevelt at the time.
Polio mainly affected children, and as she recalls, caused people to not be in large gatherings and to keep their distance if at all possible. A very familiar way of life in 2020.
It was the fear of the unknown, just like with the COVID.
As we know, older people are most at risk for serious coronavirus complications, putting the retired public office worker on high alert once again.
It was hard for me to have to give up my volunteer work. I enjoyed working a little bit at the school, volunteering, working with some of the kids. But my main focus has been volunteering at our local museum, which naturally had to be shut down this season.
The 84-year-old says she remembers a time when there were no vaccines or cures, so she is excited for the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine and looking forward to getting back to the activities and people she loves.
In my mind, this is just another storm that we need to weather, and we'll get through it.
PJ Walker, KX News.
Swyhovic says quarantining hasn't been all that bad. She's caught up on some reading and projects around the house. She says when cabin fever starts to kick in, she goes out for a drive and waves at the other people doing the same.